Hello, my friend. Is your phone running slow? Don't worry, these simple settings will help make your phone much faster. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. Next, tap on Battery, then go to Background Usage Limits. Here, turn on Put Unused Apps to Sleep. After that, tap on Deep Sleeping Apps. Now, tap the plus icon and select the apps you rarely or never use. Add them to the deep sleeping list. This will stop them from running in the background. Now go back and tap on Memory. Here, you'll find an option called RAM+. Tap on it and set it to the maximum available RAM. Go back again and scroll down to Auto Optimization. Turn it on and set it to run daily. Next, tap the three-dot menu at the top and select Boost Storage. Scroll down and enable Auto Delete Unnecessary Data and set it to run daily. Now go back to the main settings screen. We'll now enable developer options. If you don't know how to enable it, tap the little eye icon on the screen to watch a quick tutorial. Once developer options is enabled, open it from settings. Now scroll and find these three settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set all three to off. Scroll down further and Background Process Limit. Tap on it and set it to at most 2 processes. That's it, you're done. Your phone should now be noticeably faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more tips and tricks related to phones, comment below. I'll make a video.